In this Outer Wilds video, we are going to get excruciatingly close to a supernova while going as slowly as possible. If we figure out exactly how fast the supernova expands, can we perfectly keep pace? Let's go surfing. In order to find the speed of the supernova's edge in meters per second, we need to find meters and seconds. So first, I observe the supernova from the map view and measure how long it takes to engulf each planet. Unfortunately, this turned out to be quite imprecise, and even misleading in the case of Giant's Deep and Dark Bramble. So I then realized there was a fairly easy, albeit time-consuming way to be more precise. Then I went to each planet and measured its distance to the Sun. I can tell the twins are orbiting right around 5,000 meters, but since the game rounds larger distances to the nearest kilometer, I have to get creative for the other planets. First, I confirmed that the ship's computer is in fact rounding to the nearest kilometer and not just chopping off the decimals. And indeed, it takes twice as long to go from 7 kilometers to 6 kilometers as it does to go from 6 kilometers, which is actually 5.5 kilometers, to 4,999 meters. Anyways, now I can find the distances from the Sun to each planet fairly precisely. With the planet between me and the Sun, I carefully fly to where the distance to the Sun can be precisely measured. Then I quickly lock onto the planet and subtract that distance. I can even use my recording to account for my slow reaction time. If I'm going 20 meters per second and it takes 50 frames before I lock onto the planet, that's 18 extra meters. That's the level of precision I'm able to get with this method. Unfortunately, this isn't precise at all because the planet's orbits apparently are elliptical. Oh well. Now we can graph our results and see that the speed of the supernova's edge increases. And we can fit a quadratic pretty well with this data. This implies that the acceleration is constant at about 54 meters per second squared. That's a bit faster than the ship's single thruster, which gives 50 meters per second squared. So if we get a bit of a head start, we should be able to keep pace. All that math and hard work, and the end result is just get a bit of a head start and fire the thruster full time. And of course, trial and error. Lots and lots of trial and error. I start abandoning all pretense of planning this thing. I'm just winging it. And look at that. That was pretty cool. I'm sure I could have gotten a lot closer. However, as we can see, the best part of this video will happen after the Ash Twin Project recalls us. So what do we do now? We stop the Ash Twin Project from recalling us. Hello, Chert. Good old Chert. And I'm woken up by the supernova music. Oh, well, hello. Come sit with me, my fellow traveler. Let's sit together and watch the stars die. No, don't think I will. Perhaps you're right. Yes, We should face this alone. That's the way. We enter this world alone, and we leave it alone. That is dark. Man, I feel really bad. Here, take this present of a warp core. How many people get that dialogue? What kind of monster says no thanks when Chert asks you to come sit with them? That's awful. Well, let's do this thing. Once again, I wing it. "3,000 meters away." Ooh, and that was close. And look at those blue specks rushing by us. I'm trying to turn around. I think I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Wow. Hey, was that a planet? Are the planets still here? Was I able to lock onto them? And hang on, why are there so many stars still? They should be blinking out. Can we go to them? Do they have any signals? Can I zoom in on them? They're not exploding. Yeah, none of them are exploding. All right, let's go check the ship's log and see if we can target the planets in our solar system. Let's see where our village is. Error. Yeah, there's an error with finding the village. Our ship thinks it knows where it is, but there seems to be a slight problem. And there it is. And that's the end of it. That was pretty good. I bet you guys could do a lot better if you gave it a go. See what you can come up with, and let me know if you have any tips on how to make this even cooler. Until my next Stupid Stunts video, y'all take care.